The National Weather Service in Oxnard, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Angeles and Orange County until 6:50 a.m. tomorrow morning. At around 5:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located approximately 3 miles west of downtown Los Angeles heading east at 30 miles per hour. This storm was also seen producing waterspouts west of Santa Monica and quarter-size hail at Los Angeles International Airport. This storm could be capable of producing tornadoes, but it is not for certain yet. Get into an underground basement or storm cellar. If you don't have a basement, go to the most central part of your house. Grab a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, food, water, and loved ones. Do not go to nursing homes or hospitals for loved ones, they have their own evacuation plans. Stay tuned to this local station for further information. If this is not your local station, tune into your local station or tune into KTLA 5 for weather updates.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard, California has issued Tornado Watch Number 5, which is in effect until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in California: Los Angeles, Orange, and San Bernardino. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. While severe weather may not be imminent at this time, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements or possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets for the latest severe weather information for your area. The National Weather Service in Oxnard, California has issued a tornado warning for Central Los Angeles County, Northern Orange County, and Southwestern San Bernardino County until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a large tornado. This storm was seen moving towards South Whittier, or about 3 miles north of Norwalk. In addition, a rotating wall cloud was seen at Santa Fe Springs by weather spotters at 6:28 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This storm also has a history of producing quarter-size hail as well. Locations impacted include South Whittier, East Whittier, La Mirada, La Habra, and Brea. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Oxnard, California has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Los Angeles County and southwestern San Bernardino County. At around 6:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large and devastating tornado was seen moving through Rowland Heights, heading northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado, source, radar confirmed tornado, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those without shelter, mobile homes will be destroyed, considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Walnut at around 6:57 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Diamond Bar at around 7:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Pomona at around 7:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Chino, La Verne, Claremont, and Montclair. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in California: southeastern Los Angeles County and southwestern San Bernardino County. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service and the Los Angeles Department of Emergency Management. Mass destruction is being reported from La Habra to Upland. The tornadoes that went through the area have caused roads to be impassable. Freeways are littered with debris. Emergency vehicles are trying their best to get into the affected area. In addition, many residents in the tornado's path are claiming to be stuck underground. If you require medical assistance, please don't leave your home. Please do not call 911 as the telephone lines are busy and need to be kept open for official use only. Residents outside of the affected area ask not to help victims in the affected area until it is deemed safe by the National Guard.